for tonight and tomorrow. That's some more rain on the cards, and behind me here, coming out of the far west, you can see another system, and that's some wet and windy weather which is heading our way for the second half of the weekend. So we've got one area of low pressure in the North Sea just now, a little quiet spell coming through for most of tonight. The next band of rain across tomorrow, and then the weekend looks pretty disturbed indeed, with lots of isobars, some very windy weather indeed. We're going to see gales, possibly even severe gale force winds, probably in the west, and some heavy driving rain sweeping the country as well. So a bit of everything as we go through the next few days. Looking at the winds at the moment, most of the wind is actually down the North Sea coast there. The strongest winds, though, are up in Shetland. Elsewhere, it's a fairly quiet day, and there's some pleasantly warm sunshine around as well. We're looking at 18 to 20 degrees across some of the brighter areas today, probably 22 down across the southwest Midlands and into parts of the West Country. But we've still got some rain on the eastern side of England especially, and into eastern Scotland here. A pretty grey scene, rather damp and drizzly for much of the day, in fact all day, right down the North Sea coast. But things are gradually improving across the Midlands. Into Suffolk this afternoon we should see some brighter weather coming through, but Norfolk I think is going to be rather reluctant to clear away, though the drizzle should have gone by the end of the afternoon. Elsewhere there's some sunshine, as you can see, the best of it across in Ireland, the Western Isles of Scotland, and down across the far southwest. So it's a pleasant enough afternoon, as I say, things gradually improving from the west as time goes by. But then tonight, mist and fog patches returning across a large part of the country. Temperatures holding up reasonably well, but later on we'll find more rain showing its hand down across the far southwest. And that rain is going to make painfully slow progress tomorrow. It does mean to say a grey and murky start for many central and some northern parts. Still some wet and windy weather, incidentally, way up in the far northeast of Scotland for much of the day, in fact on Friday, but temperatures reaching about 17 to 20 countrywide. This band of rain, though, pivoting and tilting northwards across Wales, just into Northern Ireland, and maybe up as far as about Manchester to the Wash during the afternoon. And that's it from me just for now.